Just in the meantime, I'll just show you a quick tip on how I solder my wires up. Basically, I tin my wires up at the ends first, and what I do is I go to the flux, I give it a little dip, give it another little dip, and I get some tin. Let me see behind the camera. Put some on there. Blow the smoke away from you. Do not inhale the smoke. This is not good for you. Well ventilated area is best. Get your wire. Tap it on the end. Oh, it soaks it up due to the flux. Then, as you can see, my ends are tinned. I don't know if I can show you on this video very well. I don't think I can. But now I will be soldering onto the motor and onto the connector piece for the rear bogie, for the negative.